What if I told you there's a money trick the wealthy have been using for decades? And they really hope you, especially Gen Z, don't catch on in 2025. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme or risky crypto bet. It's a fundamental shift in how you see money, and it's simpler than you think. For years, we've been taught the same script. Go to school, get a good job, save a little, and maybe one day you can retire. That's the employee mindset. Safe, stable, but it's also a trap designed to keep you working for someone else's dream. The rich, they don't play that game. They play the owner's game. So what's the big secret? It's understanding the difference between earning income and building equity. Earning income is trading your time for money. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. Stop working, the money stops. Building equity is completely different. It means owning a piece of something that grows in value over time, whether you're actively working on it or not. Think about it. The wealthiest people in the world didn't get there by collecting a paycheck. Jeff Bezos didn't get rich from his Amazon salary. He got rich by owning Amazon stock. Real estate moguls don't just collect rent. They own properties that appreciate in value. This is the owner's mindset. They focus on acquiring assets, not just earning a salary. So how can you, as a member of Gen Z, start playing the owner's game in 2025? It's more accessible than ever before. First, you need to change your thinking. Every dollar you get isn't just for spending. It's a seed you can plant. Instead of asking, what can I buy with this money? Ask, how can this money make more money for me? The first practical step is to start investing, even if it's small. Thanks to technology, you don't need a fortune to begin. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Public let you buy fractional shares of stocks. This means you can own a piece of giants like Apple or Tesla for as little as $5. You're not just a customer anymore. You're an owner. You're building equity. Other powerful ways through your own skills. We live in the creator economy. Your knowledge, your passion, your unique perspective, that's an asset. Instead of just working a 9 to 5, can you build a side hustle that you own? Maybe it's a YouTube channel, a small e-commerce store, a digital product, or offering a freelance service. When you build your own brand or business, you're not just earning income. You're building an asset to equity that can grow and even be sold one day. The rich don't want you to figure this out because the traditional system relies on a large workforce of employees. It needs people to trade their time for a steady paycheck. But once you realize you can be an owner, you break free from that system. You start building wealth that works for you, even while you sleep. Here's your 2025 action plan. 1. Educate yourself. Read books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Follow financial creators who talk about building wealth, not just saving. 2. Start small. Automate a small investment, say $20 or $50 a month, into a low-cost index fund like the S&P 500. This is owning a piece of the entire market. 3. Think like an owner in your daily life. Is there a skill you have that you can monetize as your own business? This shift from an employee mindset to an owner mindset is the single most powerful financial move you can make. It's the real trick the rich use to stay rich and get richer. It's not about secrets. It's about a different way of thinking. They want you to focus on climbing the corporate ladder. You should be focused on building your own ladder. Start now. And the sooner you plant those seeds of equity, the more time they have to grow into a forest of financial freedom. Don't wait for 2025 to be over. The owner's game is waiting for you. Thanks so much for watching. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that empowers you to build your own future. See you in the next one.